morning. I love my feet. Do you love yours too? Let's give them some love. One leg extended, one knee bent. Grab your bent knee. You're going to take your right thumb, place it outside the left big toe, and then you're going to thread one finger in between each toe, trying to get the finger all the way down into the webbing. This in itself will stretch your toes. Okay, then we're going to stretch the top of the foot and then stretch the Achilles tendon. Stretch the top of the ankle, stretch the Achilles tendon. Stretch, stretch. Some external rotations now, slowly with the ankle joint. You're supporting and slowly externally rotating. Then internally rotating. Beautiful. Then you can just place the foot down on the floor, make a fist, use your knuckles. We're going to massage from the heel to the ball of the foot. Maybe you can see it a little better this way. Massage. Just lean in, lean your body weight in from the heel to the ball of the foot, heel to the ball of the foot, back and forth, and then along the instep. It feels really, really good. Okay, other foot. Take the left thumb, place it outside the right big toe, thread every finger between every toe all the way down to the webbing. Ouch! Hold your lower leg. You're going to flex the top of the foot, flex the ankle, or stretch the top of the foot, stretch the Achilles tendon, back and forth, back and forth. External rotations a few times. Stay relaxed. Internal rotations a few times. Foot on the floor. I'm just going to demonstrate this way. Make a fist. From the heel down to the ball of the foot, up and down a couple of times, up and down a couple of times in the instep. Really, really, really opens up the flow of energy. Extend the legs. Flex and extend. Flex and extend. Flex and extend. External rotation. Now, we're not just rotating the ankle. You really want to feel this rotation happen all the way up into the hip joint. And then internal rotation, internal rotation, internal rotation. Beautiful. Now we're going to come to hero pose. Sitting on our lower legs. We're going to bring the hands forward, tuck the toes under, and sit, bringing the hips to the heels, sitting tall, and feeling the stretch. You're going to feel the stretch in the ball of the foot, in the instep of the foot. You'll feel it in your toes. Then we're going to come forward, flatten the tops of the feet, bring the hands back if you can. Lean back to stretch the front of the ankles once again. Then we're going to come forward, toes tucked under. Now we're going to come and balance on the toes and balls of the feet. Okay? Really good for strengthening the muscles in the feet and ankles. Forward. Flatten the tops of the feet. Once again, stretch the front of the ankles. Come forward, tuck the toes under, sit tall. I hope you liked this. It was giving your feet some love this morning. Have a great day.